boys and girls. Hungry? Stop by the deli. Make yourself a tough problem sandwich on wheat. All right, we've got a hard question here. Angle A, B, C is 100. Okay? Basically, what it's saying is that D is somewhere in here. Somewhere in here lies point D. Okay? We don't know where. It's in some random spot. What is the probability that ABD is acute? ABD. Well, if D is anywhere before it gets to 90, right? It will be acute. Now, again, you guys like start counting points. So some of you want to call that like 89.5, because once it gets to 90, it will no longer be acute. I get that. But there are how many points on this curved arc right there? There are infinitely many points, so you can't do it by counting points. So you got to think of it as regions. So this region here has a 90-degree representation, where this region here, which is where, okay, let me explain what I'm doing here. If point D falls anywhere in this region, then what is angle ABD? Well, it's not acute. It's either right or acute, obtuse, right? So this purple region represents our success region. The blue region represents our failure region. So the answer for A, I think, is 90%, 90 out of 100. Is that what the book had? Okay, good. All right, not 90 degrees, 90%. Now, what's the probability that DBC is acute? Well, I think that's the same picture, isn't it? So that would be 10%. Oh, sorry, 90%. It's not the same picture. Sorry. So, all we'd have to do to think about that is switch our colors and think about D over here. Okay, does that make sense? All right, so now let's attack the more difficult one, which is part C. It says, what is the probability that both A, B, D, and DBC are acute? Well, let me just test some things. So, if D was right at the middle, leaving 50 degrees on both sides, would they both be acute? Yes. Okay. So, let's do one that wouldn't work. If D was 5 degrees over, well, let's start with 10, because that's what I did yesterday. Okay. If D was 10 degrees over. All right, now ABD is acute, right? Yes. But DBC is not. Okay, we want them both to be acute. So, it's have to be, if we think about it down here, okay. That also would not work, correct? Now, what if D was right next to it at, say, 11 degrees? Then you'd get 89 and 11, right? So I think that this entire region is a go, and both of these regions represent failures. So I think the answer is what? 80%. What's the book tell you? 4 out of 5? Beautiful. Bam! Boom!